Hi, I'm Jerry Wyrick from Printing Partners of Brunswick, Ohio. Been using the Xanté X33 for 3 years now. The prints are very durable and they're weather resistant and it's easy to use. It allows you to do things that you wouldn't normally be able to do on a 2-day basis or even same-day service when needed. What I like about it is the versatility that this printer allows you to print on, up to 6 inches high. We do yard signs for landscapers and politicians. We can also print on foam board. Like this one, we printed on for a car show that shows what the guy did to his car and restored it completely. We do a lot of wedding posters when they want their menus and their seating charts in the venue. We also do posters on here, 2x3 posters, which is a good market to sell for schools and for plays, playhouses to advertise. We also did some maracas where we printed the name and the date on the maraca using the UV Unlimited to do this process. You can also print on mouse pads for your clients, or you can also do coasters for inside of the cars. Then we also print on lacrosse balls, so they have their logo on them and they use them for each meet. Return on investment takes a little bit to build up, but it doesn't take long if you put your mind to it and you can figure out the possibilities to print on anything with this is endless. You just have to have the creative mind and the way to do it. And there's always a way to do it. A client came in with us to print bags for her homemade granola. So we had to make up a template to hold the bag down so that it would lay flat in order to print on it. And then when it prints, there's the final product that it prints, and then we also print the ingredients on the back side of the bag. So we do that 3-up, and that seems to be working quite well. Our customers are very happy with how quickly they get their jobs turned and the quality of the job. That brings them back more. We try to give them more customer service than you get anywhere else. From data purchase to install went very smoothly and have had very few problems with it. Most of them could be resolved over the phone, and they make sure you understand, and we send pictures back and forth so they can see exactly what you're talking about. My sales rep, Jennifer, she always calls and has been very helpful. She's always willing to go that extra mile for you. This one, it can fit through a single door. Takes a few guys to move it. It does weigh a bit. I have it in probably a 20x20 room. Maintenance is very important on this. We have our normal routine that you stir the tanks first thing in the morning, then we run a test print, but it's important to use the printer and keep the print heads flowing. IQ is a workstation for the printer, and it helps you run your jobs. You can download IQ before you get the printer to start playing with the program to familiarize yourself with it, which makes life easier when the printer does get here. With this, it's pretty easy to learn. You kind of just click through every menu item and get yourself familiar with the program, and you'll understand where all the buttons are. I'm still learning it. I've used it for 3 years. There's more the program has to offer than what you realize when you first start using it. IQ, you can import JPEG files, Adobe Illustrator files. Most of mine I bring in as PDFs, or it'll take EPS files. You do get free software update as long as you own the printer. They have updated the software, I believe, 3 times now in 3 years. And each time they update it, it gets a little bit better. You can do frosting. You can also do Braille for ADA compliant signs. The job costing feature in IQ, once you process the job, it'll tell you the cost of the ink. So you know exactly what your consumables are when you print that job. So it makes it easy to bill it, and you can see that you're getting your money back on the job. Again, I'm Jerry Wyrick from Printing Partners in Brunswick, Ohio, and it's always a pleasure to come in and run my Xanté and make money with it. Yeah, if I had bigger space, I would buy the bigger Xanté printer because I'm very happy with what it can do and its capabilities. So I would definitely recommend Xanté for your needs.